1, 2, 3. Jump it up.
Today, as we gather to break ground on this campus renovation, we are not only building a new chapter for this beloved school, but we are also honoring a history, tradition, and community that has made Lake Mary Elementary a cornerstone of education for generations.
Let's take a moment to journey back in time. The very first elementary school in Lake Mary was built in 1885, when this community was just a small settlement of fewer than 100 people. The land, just 1 acre, was generously gifted by Miles and Charlotte Tanner with the sole purpose of building a school. Imagine that, no bustling intersections, just horse and buggy trails winding through the Florida wilderness. The original building was modest, a 20 by 20 foot wooden structure. It was built under the supervision of Dr. William Evans, and that entire project was $449.50. That humble beginning laid the foundation for generations of learning and community growth. Fast forward to 1925, when Lake Mary's population had grown to around 300 people. Axel and Tilda Schablum sold an acre of land to the school board, and plans were drawn for a new wooden school building. But thanks to the vision and generosity of Frank Evans, who loaned an additional $6,000, the school was built with block and concrete, ensuring it would stand the test of time. The original Lake Mary Elementary offered an office, a gym, a lunchroom, and 4 classrooms. In 1934, Frank and Stella Evans donated another 5 acres, allowing the school to expand and serve even more students. Over the decades, buildings were added, renovated, and replaced to meet the needs of this community. Many of Lake Mary's most notable citizens have walked these halls, some as students, others as teachers, and all have contributed to the rich tapestry of the city's history.
We look to the future with excitement. This renovation will create the classrooms of tomorrow, designed to prepare today's students for a future filled with innovation and opportunity. From flexible learning spaces to modern technology, our new campus will ensure that Lake Mary Elementary continues to provide a world-class education in an environment that inspires creativity, collaboration, and curiosity. Lake Mary Elementary will continue to be a place where history and progress meet, where tradition and innovation go hand in hand, and where every child is given the opportunity to shine.